Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another vloggy vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev, and quite a few of you are new here, okay? My name is Chevelle. I am a Jamaican content creator. I love to do YouTube, but I'm branching off onto TikTok, and I've been posting the content that I'm doing on TikTok here over on YouTube, and you guys are loving it. So to all my new subscribers, hey, how you doing? And to all my OGs, hey, how are you doing? Comment in the comment section below, how are you doing today? Don't really know what we're gonna do, but my husband's like, all right, come out the house. I know that I need to go to the doctor. That's as much as I know. Nothing important, really and truly. And then I stopped and got a caramel frappuccino at Cafe Blue. It's my first time. I had the Biscoff cafe the other day, the Biscoff one the other day, and I liked it. But anything that's coffee, I don't like it. I don't like this, but I'm drinking it because my money was spent. Okay, I bought this and I bought a lemon cake. I don't like lemon cake either, but we're gonna eat and drink because my money did what? Buy it. Right. Do you guys like the lip combo? Yeah. This intro is all over the place, but as I said, I don't know what we're up to differently. Today is Saturday. I'm gonna talk to him for a week. I'm gonna talk to him, but we're going out together as a family. I don't know where we're going. I don't know what we're doing. But yeah, here is the outfit of the day. My boys are sitting down like it's a theater and they're cheering me on. Okay? Mommy looks good. Right? Mommy looks good. But yeah, we're going on the road now. I am fully beveled down in perfume. Okay. I have on Diva and I have on Angam second song or second something. I don't remember. Boys! Stop now. Second something. So right now I smell myself. I'm gonna smell real good. The other day when I went to go get a wax, the girl that gave me a wax, she was like, girl, what are you wearing? And I was like, I'm wearing Angam second song. I feel like you smell so good. Whoever you buy your scents from, they need to start sponsoring you because you smell so good. And I was like, T. So yeah, I look good and I feel good. I look like a Nubian princess. And listen, don't be afraid to big up yourself. Big up you, okay? Big up Jehovah God first and then big up you, okay? Because you deserve it. So yeah, I look extra oily. The face look oily because I did the skincare, but probably has parts in that spot. I'm gonna just have to jump in the driver's seat just in case police or wrecker or anybody shows up, to make sure that, you know, if the car needs to move, a girl can move it, okay? Yeah man.
Burger, spicy burger.
You want spicy burger?
No.
You're not going to enjoy a spicy burger.
Oh.
What do
Let's eat chicken and chips.
Would you enjoy your chicken and chips?
Cake.
You're not getting any
No cake right now, okay?
You're gonna get buy your cake tomorrow, okay? Okay.
Here you
I
go.
want chicken and chips.
You want chicken and chips?
Yeah.
I know you love chicken and chips, so that's why that is like to buy it.
But this one.
So you like to food?
Yeah.
And I make it care from her, you know?
Oh, I'll probably do
Chicken.
had an unboxing to do. May I try to figure out if I have anything in here to open these packages with. So AJ's birthday is on Monday, so I know a few things in here for AJ's birthday. So I already know what this one probably is. Oh no, I don't. Alright, let's see what it is. Okay, this is something from my husband. I actually have to go give that to him now. This is PR. This is PR. This is PR. This is from the company Banish. Okay, Banish. I can't wait to show you guys. When I get home, I'll show you guys. Okay, so the theme for AJ's birthday is jeans and white t-shirt. So this is a white t-shirt for Jamil. Amazon, these things did not need to... Oh. It's very faded, but it all works. This big boy is for me. As you guys know, I color, right? Wait. Oh, that's okay. I color. Yes.
Jamil, we need to charge.
It's on charge already. Anyways, because I color, I wanted something for like when I'm on live, because I go live on TikTok. I wanted something for when I go live. I'm not fighting with my phone, and I'm not fighting to adjust my phone to see the coloring page. So I got this. Right? So you have the phone piece up here, and then you have this down here. So that's not all my packages, honestly. I have more packages, but they aren't ready yet. So I guess in the week before his birthday, they will be... No, I didn't get the balloons. Didn't get the balloons. I didn't get the balloons. So as I was telling you guys about this company called Banish, right? Give me 1 second. They emailed me and they wanted to give me some products. So face the world with confidence. All right, so this is a cream. This is a cream that they gave me. Can I open it? Yeah. Banish Fighter Gel Calm Breakouts and Eczema. It has Centella, MSM, and Arnica. I got quite a few stuff in there. Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. This is an exfoliating mask, lighten dark spots, instant glow in 10 minutes, glycolic acid, vitamin C, nutmeg. And then one more thing. You can also get this on YouTube shopping. This is their vitamin C cream. It's lightweight, brightening, moisturizer, aloe, vitamin E, and rose hip oil. So those are some of the products that I got. So then this is the pamphlet. It tells you how to use it. Don't pick at your skin, pick Banish. So here we go. All right. Let's go ahead and unzip. Something else is in here. Banish went on with their self, Banish serum dark spot corrector with vitamin C and E, freshly made clear vitamin C serum. And they said something on here. They said PR samples are half filled to reduce waste in case it's not a good fit for you, but customer orders are always 100% filled. Tips on how to use the Banisher. This now is the Banisher. This is the Banisher. All right, so the Banisher is a tool. It's a micro needling tool. It's safe to use at home. They show you how to use it, where to use it. This helps with fine lines. It helps with dark spots. It helps with a lot of things, right? So we're gonna take out this tool. Add in one of these heads. They tell you what each head is. Alright, so this is the Banisher, right? If you guys can see, it has little tiny pricks on it. You would use this, poke it into your skin, like you went to go do micro needling. You poke it onto the parts where you have the dark spots, if the fine line. Tonight, we're going to go ahead and use this tonight. And I'm gonna show you guys. So I got 2 of them, and they gave me 2 replacements as well. So Banisher, thank you very much. Thank you. AJ's balloons did not come. I'm bummed about that because they're Paw Patrol balloons. So I wanted them for his birthday so that I can, Monday's his birthday. He's going to school on Monday, but I wanted to still decorate his room for his birthday, or decorate, around their room. But I'm not gonna get to do that with the Paw Patrol, but I'll go ahead and buy some other balloons in the meantime. Yeah. So if I'm coloring and I'm on live, I can just do this and I can just color and I don't have to worry about, but just know that you won't see me on live, right? You won't be seeing my face. I just love the sparkles. So that's it for my little unboxing. And then, I got all this lights right here with me, guys. Sorry for all the noise in my background. Just know that when you come on my channel, my space is small. My kids are always in my husband and I space, and we facilitate them. We make sure that they're comfortable. We make sure that they feel loved. So I know that my background is probably a bit loud. There's nothing I can do about it, right? And I'm quite tired, so I'm not gonna be able to wait until later to do videos like this. So yeah, that is it for my unboxing today. Alright guys, so first things first, I went ahead. Oh no, I was watching some videos on TikTok, but I don't need to watch the videos on TikTok. I need to go ahead and read this. How to use a Banish starter kit. Alright, so first you're going to start with bare, freshly cleansed skin. Wash your skin with your favorite cleanser. Wipe your skin with a rubbing alcohol to further sanitize the area. Sanitize your Banisher each time you use it. Pour 70% alcohol. Yeah, so 70%. alcohol into the cap to fill the line. Twist the cap and let it disinfect for 5 minutes. Clean, sanitize your hands. It's important to have clean hands so that the area will be treated. Treating won't get unwanted bacteria. Start with a small area, press down into the skin. Lift up before pressing down again. Don't drag the banisher on skin. Do about 3 to 5 presses in each area. Avoid active acne spots. After using the banisher, pat a few drops of the banisher serum onto skin. Leave it on. Some redness and tingling may occur and usually goes away within a few hours. Avoid wearing makeup for the rest of the day. Skincare and makeup routine can be followed as normal. The following morning, clean the banisher again before placing the cap on. Alright? So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and cleanse. Because you guys have seen my skincare routine already, right? Yeah. Now I'm really kind of hoping that this works because I do have a few things that I want to get off my face. So. Let me tell you, having on nails sometimes can be pain. I don't know whether I should have used alcohol on my face. What do you guys think? Oh. I'm gonna let that stay. Right, so it's an alcohol. I think I probably need to put a little bit more. Alright, so let me go ahead and wipe my face with alcohol. This is probably gonna be so harsh for my skin. My eyes. So, see the skin here? They said do not put it on active thing there, so we're not gonna do that. I don't know how the forehead part is going to go, but yeah, let's do it over here. How does it feel? It doesn't hurt. Is it supposed to hurt? Three, 4, 5. Okay. That didn't hurt. Because I'm wondering if there is like size differences. I don't see anything on size differences, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my face after I have done pressing down on all areas. This way I can either use the vitamin C serum or the Banish serum. So the Banish serum is a dark spot corrector with vitamin C and vitamin E, and the Banish and the vitamin C cream is lightweight and brightening. They didn't say to use them together. This also has aloe, vitamin E, and rose hip. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one because the aloe is going to calm down the skin. So you probably gotta do a couple pumps. Alright. Then it said pump it in. They said pat it in. Apply a pea-sized amount on cleansed skin after any toner or serum to moisturize and brighten the skin. probably need to check TikTok. I don't think that's enough. So it tingles as it said it would. Yeah, this is my face after the everything. I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse the Banisher and then we're done. So we'll talk tomorrow, guys. I'll show you what my skin looks like tomorrow. I'm thinking to do a video for TikTok. I think I'm doing a video for TikTok. Also, they said that you should use this once or every 2 weeks. Yeah, that's what they said. You can shake it up to get it cleansed. You don't have any dead skin, everything, you get it off. Hello guys, the girl is going into the era, okay? Got spring life and all things are well. Yeah. But I'll update you guys on the skin.